Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing practice mode on easy so you can learn without full pressure. First, spawn near the house entrance or a safe spawn point. This reduces early chaos and gives breathing room. While moving, grab a flashlight, a hammer, and any visible keys. These items let you explore and break crates. Once done, lock doors behind you when possible to slow the Granny AI, and make sure to note spawn locations for efficient loops. You now search methodically. Check cabinets, drawers, and under furniture for puzzle items because missing one stalls progress. Focus on high-priority items like the lockpick, shotgun parts, fuse, and crossbow pieces. These unlock win paths. Once you locate a target, plan a short route using windows and hallways to maintain line of sight. This minimizes surprise encounters. If you get cornered, use the hammer or crate to stun and buy time while you reposition. You assemble the final tools and bring them to the puzzle location to avoid backtracking. This makes the end game smooth. Once the exit is activated, open it and move out without hesitation. If Granny pursues, drop noisy items to create distance and use doors to funnel her. If an item is missing or you become trapped, reset to spawn or hide behind curtains and wait for a patrol cycle, then sneak to the nearest exit. Troubleshooting tip: if AI pathing blocks routes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.